Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Katrina. Today on the menu is going to be cottage chicken. Yes, it's a cozy, delicious, easy recipe. And I love doing easy recipes. That's what I'm about. So first off, I've already washed and cleaned my chicken breast. You can use whatever type meat you want, dark meat or white meat. I'm using breast because that's what I had. And it's delicious with this as well because I've made it tons of times. I love to make it around winter time because it's so cozy. Fall time, it's a really easy, comforting meal. So I've got some chicken breast here. I've got 2 pans for my size family. What makes it the cottage cozy chicken is 2 sticks of melted butter. And of course some chicken broth. I've got black pepper, onion, granulated onion, roasted garlic, urban garlic, and of course my blend. I love that blend, salt, pepper, garlic. I have a whole onion diced up. You can omit it if you don't want it. And then I have the soup. This is a 1 can, 14-ounce can of cream of mushroom and cream of chicken. And of course it comes out really thick. This is enough for 2 pans. So of course if you're not making 2 pans, then just do half and half, because you want it to be, this is your gravy that I'm going to put over rice or whatever you want to put it over, mashed potatoes, cauli mash, whatever. So I'm just going to season it up and pour this over the chicken and then top it with the melted butter, and it bakes in a 350-degree oven for 45 to 55 minutes. All right, let's get started. So this is it. So delicious. I got everyone's plates already fixed. They are ready to eat. Yes, yes, yes. We are ready. That's my plate. My hubby's plate, but that is it. So delicious, so easy. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that you try this recipe. And hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Bye.